Nick video today because it is snow. What could he even be screaming about? Alright, like I said, you guys are getting a Nick video today because he requested the GoPro. So, I don't know exactly what he's doing, but I'm sure it will be done. Uh-oh. Bag ow. What?
Everybody's pumping.
Need some snacks. Get some drink. Get some drink. This is life essentials right here, guys. Life essentials. This is how I'm gonna survive today with the big Bubba truck all the way out there. I never formally said what we were doing, so we're taking big Bubba truck all the way to Akron, and we are going sledding. I've got the sleds in the back seat. We are gonna try and make it home. This is, they probably plowed this maybe like an hour, 2 hours ago, because this is just some slight pow. But if you see like over there where no one drove, it's a lot of pow. I'm excited. Like, there's a lot of snow, and we're rear wheel drive. All right. Bro, I'm trying to drive all delicate, and this truck's like, get her sideways. Yeah.
Don't feel like it.
Yep, she's all cleared. They used a lot of salt last night. Really got her nice and smooth. Yup, see the steering wheel? Butter. That's what we want. We want the road to be nice and slippery. Oh, Jesus Christ, we're gonna die.
Wow, yeah, brakes don't work for shit.
They work okay, sort of.
Good thing it's snowy.
Double pump them. And the foot brake doesn't work at all now.
Don't need them.
Might need third. I'm gonna have to do this, so in case I have to stop, I can do this. I'm not going to stop this time.
You hype? I'm hype. Dude, I'm so hype. I'm also a little scared. We might die.
Yeah, let's roll.
Bro, I'm scared.
Go easy.
Oh my god!
We lost Landon! Oh, Linda! Holy shit!
Are you okay?
Here, Aiden, hold this real quick.
Dude, you fell off your sled and like didn't even bother you, just kept going.
Oh my god. Yo, Paul, I had my leg was wedged under Aiden, so I just ate the side of the concrete right there. We lost Aiden!
I can't stop! Just keep going. I literally can't see where you're going.
Oh, I'm backwards again! Oh no! Bro, it hooked my foot! I almost died! We're back. Big Linda. Linda, you look like you're about to go rob a bank off of some.
You look funnier with the outlaws.
He did. He looked like he was gonna.
You wanna pull this back?
We're gonna get demonetized if I say that one. Paul, I think we should just pull me up and down the driveway a couple times on my butt. Look at that. Cleared her right out.
Have Linda. Bigger surface.
All three of us.
Put a rope around his shoulders and a rope around his feet and just drag him. This might be the most American thing I've ever done. We got the quad with the 3 badass sleds. This is top tier badassery, dude. Oh my gosh. We got Mr. rigging things up over here. Jesus. Yeah, make sure the hook doesn't like hook into your glove, because it did that to me and I almost lost my hand.
Doing it like this.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. So much stuff. And it's just ice, dude. It's just ice.
It's just ice.
Oh my gosh, dude.
You look like Santa Claus.
Landon, you look like Santa.
It's so cold. Coming down my shirt.
Our wrist is
Ho ho ho, mother. Yo, we should use the shopping cart.
Oh, sh. Oh, sh. Paul! All right.
You guys are in like 2 feet of snow.
Your rope's right here. What's up?
Not where we're going tonight.
Where?
Dickies.
Dickies?
Yeah, that's why I bought them.
You mean dicks?
Whatever.
You're a dummy. Get on a sled. We should do this with a 2005 Toyota Corolla, man.
Dude, we should do this with
The big Bubba truck. Oh my god, I'm so down. Oh sh.
Dude, I'm not even doing this. It's so much easier.
Oh sh.
Oh, this is so much easier doing it like this.
Paul!
Paul. Look, this light's still on. It's burning. Oh shit.
I was heading right for the curb.
Wow.
I was going right for a curve, so I had to let go. I was like, oh.
I was on my back. Keep her going! Keep her going!
Hold the fuck on! I got your sled.
Get my hat.
Your head's on.
You're good, Bubba, you're good!
Keep going.
Go!
Too much drag. It doesn't want to. Full throttle.
Why is it always me?
Oh my god. Don't stop. Let's go.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I had to abandon ship. I couldn't even speak. How in the world? Look at this. Look at this. The track all the way to the driveway. Oh my gosh. It's cold, guys, but that's what you get in a Cleveland winter. We're gonna let the quad cool down because it's overheating a little bit, and we'll get back to it.
Give it a thumbs up.
Oh, I can't see. Oh my God.
You guys flew off. You guys got to hold on better. I didn't even faze me. I was just like, I'm okay. I'm good.
What do you mean hold on? I can't hold on to anything.
Oh. Ah! Yeah, Bubba. Ah! I got you. Ah! You're okay. I got you.
My balls. Oh, my balls. I am not good. Bro, it is just barreled down my shirt.
Oh.